Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, your best place to buy bullion bars and coins, shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. I've got a bit of a bar here with a bit of a secret. We're doing a bit of a product highlight. This is just one that's come through the shop that I thought would be really cool to show you guys. They're just some of the different kind of bars that we see come through that are just a little bit different and unique. So this is a bar from Southern Cross Bullion. It's got the constellation of the Southern Cross on one side. Obviously it's an Australian brand. And if I flick that over, you'll also see their logo there on the back as well, with just a pattern, which looks nice in and of itself. You know, nice looking bar. It's wrapped in some plastic just to keep it looking nice as well. And you would be forgiven for thinking that that was absolutely it. You know, it's a bar of silver. That's it. However, if I grab this tool over here, which is just a UV torch, let me turn that on. If I shine that on the back here, you'll see that this bar also contains its date of manufacture, as well as the logo up the top there. So a little bit of a hidden secret that you can't quite make out with the human eye. And it's just that little bit interesting, the amount of times we've had a customer come through with one of these bars that they're looking at selling it back or something like that, and I've mentioned to them, hey, do you know the secret this bar has? And they haven't even known it's been there sitting on their own stack the entire time. So that's about it. Just thought I'd show you that quick little handy feature of the Southern Cross Bullion bars. I believe they do it on their kilo bars and their 10-ounce bars. So they also do some 1 ounces, but I don't believe those bars have this feature. But if you've got one of these bars at home and you didn't know that this was a thing on them, feel free to break out just a standard UV torch or something like that, and see if your bars have a little hidden message on them as well. That's it. Thanks for watching, and give a like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.